In this video, I'll guide you through how to find your GoDaddy cPanel username and password. If you're trying to manage your website files, install WordPress, or access databases, you'll often need to get into cPanel. So let's walk through exactly where to find your login details inside your GoDaddy account. First, you'll want to sign into your GoDaddy account and go to your My Products page. This is the main area where all of your GoDaddy services are listed, like domains, hosting, and email. If you're not already there, look for something labeled My Products after you log in and click that. It may open automatically after logging in, depending on how your account is set up. Once you're on the My Products page, scroll down until you see the web hosting section. This is where all of your hosting plans are grouped. Find the hosting plan that's connected to the website you're working with. To the right of that plan, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Go ahead and click Manage to open the hosting dashboard for that specific account. Now you're inside your hosting dashboard, which is basically the control center for that hosting plan. On this page, look over to the right-hand side for a section called Settings. This area usually includes details about the server, the domain it's attached to, and most importantly, your cPanel access information. Within the Settings section, you should see something labeled cPanel Login or cPanel Username. Right there, under your primary domain, is where your cPanel username will be listed. This is the exact username you'll use whenever you need to log directly into your cPanel. As for the password, GoDaddy uses what's called single sign-on. That means when you log into your GoDaddy account and then click through to cPanel from the hosting dashboard, you're automatically signed into cPanel without needing to type a separate cPanel password. Essentially, your GoDaddy login acts as your secure gateway into cPanel. If you're ever asked to log into cPanel directly through a separate link, keep in mind that in most cases, you can avoid remembering or managing a separate cPanel password by returning to your GoDaddy account, going to My Products, clicking Manage on your hosting plan, and accessing cPanel from there. This approach keeps everything centralized and a bit more secure, since you're not juggling multiple sets of credentials. So to recap in a simple way, log in to GoDaddy, open your My Products page, find your web hosting plan, click Manage, look at the Settings section on the right, and there you'll see your cPanel username. From there, GoDaddy's single sign-on takes care of the password for you whenever you access cPanel through your account.